Hello, guys. Good morning. Hello, guys. Good morning.
Hello, Mr.
Hello, how are you?
Sir.
Very good. Excellent. Okay, be careful with your microphones. Turn down the volume. All right, some people are getting to the class. Awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for some of you, and then we can start with the class.
Good morning, Mr.
Hello, good morning. Excellent, guys. Thank you for being here. All right, I need you to open your books on pages 94. In this case, we're going to work 3 pages. Last class, we stopped on page 93, and for today's class, we need to start with the next page. In this case, page 94, 95, 94 in this case. Let me see. Yes, we're good. All right. Because of the time, we need to hurry up. All right, we need to go very quickly. All right, the topic for today's is adverbs modify other adverbs. Interesting. And distinguishing adjectives from adverbs. This is a topic that we already discussed, but now we are going to get into. All right, let's see. All right, here we need an explanation. Let me see the explanation about this. Okay, can adverbs really modify other adverbs? This is a topic that we already discussed. Remember, adverbs are different from adjectives. In this case, adverbs, even though adverbs usually modify verbs, remember, adverbs modify verbs. So this is an important fact. Another thing, they can also modify what? Adjectives and other adverbs. Wow, adverbs can modify adjectives, verbs, and other adverbs. Simple as that. Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. When adverbs modify adjectives, they come immediately before those adjectives. So one characteristic is that those adverbs that modify adjectives, they come before. So most of times you are going to find sentences where the adverbs are before or are at the beginning or are before those adjectives. For those ones who are, they are modifying. Okay, let's check it out. Let's continue. Here's the first example. Here's the first example. Okay, in this case, I'm going to mute you all. Wait, because this is the explanation. Wait. All right, the apple. That apple was truly delicious. So here, what is the adverb? Well, actually, we have an adjective here. Delicious is an adjective. This is the explanation. Because it describes the noun apple. Remember, apple is the noun. Remember, in English, it's a noun. And then truly is an adverb. This is the important fact. This is the adverb. Because it describes what? The adjective. Remember. And the adjective was delicious. It's telling how delicious was or how delicious is the apple in that case. Second example, an extremely helpful boy. Okay, carried my suitcase for me. Helpful in this case is the adjective. And then we have, well, actually, this adjective helpful is telling what kind of boy was. In that case, it's helpful boy. And extremely is the adverb. Is the most common adverb that we know. And it's an adverb telling to what extent, remember, what extent in this case, it answers the question. Okay, so was helpful in this case. So And then we have another explanation. Is this. When adverbs modify other adverbs, they come immediately before. So adverbs can modify what? Other adverbs. In this case, they can modify other adverbs. All right? Let's see the chat. Okay, some of you are writing me. Let's see. Good morning. Excellent. Yes, Dimitri, I didn't see that statement. Interesting is an adjective. Yes, certainly is an adjective. Exactly. In that case, interesting. Let's see. To, in this case, to is an adverb. Very is another adverb, which describe adjectives or other verbs. All right. Here are a couple of examples. Then we have, he walked too fast. So here, this is the adverb. Let's see. He walked too fast for me to keep up with him. So fast, in this case, is the adjective, yes. But in that case, to is modifying what? Fast. So is the question is what extent? Remember what? Remember that. What extent is the reach that that the sentence can go in this case? And the kitten, remember the little cat, the kitten purred very softly on my lap. So how softly? In that case, softly, what? Here we have two adverbs, very and softly. So very, in this case, is modifying softly. So interesting fact, right? So we have the difference between adjective and adverbs. And remember, adverbs modify other adverbs and adjectives and so on. All right. So after the explanation, we need to see if we have understood. Okay, I need to erase this to continue with the class. Let's see, wait. Some people are getting to the class. Okay, ready. Let's continue. Okay, number one, page. What page is this? Page 94. It says the instruction. Okay, let me see. I'm going to give the permission to activate your microphone. All right. It says, in each of the following sentences is an adverb which modifies an adjective or adverb. Underline the adverb and draw a small, neat arrow to the adjective or adverb it modifies. So, in this case, the first sentence we have, are we almost there, Dad? So, what is the adjective here? I'm sorry, what is the adverb here?
Almost.
Almost.
Mister.
Excellent.
Mister.
Well done.
Mister,
Hello. Tell me.
Mister,
dice Germán que no le deje
puede
entrar.
Germán, que no deja entrar.
He's there. Let me see. Let me see.
Ya está acá.
Yes, he's there. He's into the class. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, let's continue. No problem. Almost. Almost is the adverb in this case. Let's check it out. Exactly. Almost is modifying there. There is another adverb. Adverb of location in this case. Number two, my family arose very early to go to the sunrise service.
Very
Early.
and early.
Okay, let's see.
Very.
Very early, exactly. Very, in this case, is modifying early, another adverb. Excellent. Okay, number three. The room was extremely quiet.
And underline is trying and is modifying quiet.
And
Yes.
it's
Well done. Excellent, guys. Okay, that's a
Quiet.
good. Extremely is the adverb, is modifying quiet in this case. All right, let's continue. Here we have two adverbs, remember. Let's see, number four. The sunset over the ocean was strikingly.
No, Mister, the four.
I'm sorry, the fourth one, yes.
And hot and is modifying.
Extremely is modifying hot.
You're right. The extremely hot soup burn my tongue. Wow, that was an accident. So here we have extremely is another is the adverb in this case. Is modifying
Hot.
hot is the adjective in this case. The hot soup, remember. Number 5, thank you. The sunset over the ocean was strikingly or impressively beautiful.
Strikingly is modifying beautiful.
Excellent. Okay, let's check it out. Here we have, yes, strikingly is the adverb, is modifying the adjective beautiful.
Beautiful.
Well done. Okay, well done. Number 6, it says, the relatives stuck in traffic were too late for the wedding. Aha.
Two
Two is modifying late.
It's modified late.
Exactly. Well done. To is the adverb, is modifying late. Late is another adverb. So remember, adverbs can modify other adverbs. Simple as that. Let's see who is missing. Okay, we're done. Let's continue. Number 7. These 3 rings prove that trees exceptionally all age.
Exceptionally.
Exceptionally is modifying
All.
Okay, but exceptionally is an adjective or adverb?
adverb.
It's an adverb. It's an adverb. Remember that. Exceptionally. It's an adverb. All is an adjective in this case. All right, number 8. Well done. Congratulations. Number 8. The unusually heavy rainstorm caused sudden flooding.
Unusually is modified.
All right. Unusually is the adverb. Is modifying what? Heavy. Is modifying heavy. Exactly. Yes. Please draw the arrow. In this case, draw the arrow. Okay, Miguel is getting to the class. Right. Okay, you can copy this. Hurry up. We have, let's see. Okay, we're good.
Finish, Mr.
Finish? Okay, let's continue. Thank you. The second part. Sentence number 9. So we have here, can you identify that rather odd fish with tentacles?
Rather modifies odd.
Well done, Dimitri. Okay, rather modifies odd.
Everyone's just copying me, just as I thought.
Exactly. Rather modifies odd. Is an adjective, odd in this case. Number 10, although Mom was really busy, she played a short game with us.
Really is modifying really.
Really is modifying?
Bossy.
Busy.
Busy.
Busy. Ocupado, right? Busy is the adjective. Let's see. Yes. Okay, well done. Excellent. Number 11. Miss Turner can type very quickly. Very is modifying the other adverb, which is quickly. Yes, those ones are adverbs. Well done. Okay, number 12. My puppy ran too fast for me to catch him.
Two is modifying fast.
Two is modify fast.
Excellent. Okay. 2 is modifying fast. It's the adjective fast. And 2 is the adverb. Well done. 13. Quite suddenly, the deer bolted into the woods. Okay.
Suddenly.
Quiet is modifying.
Suddenly.
Exactly. Well done. Quiet is the adverb, is modifying the other adverb, suddenly. Well done. Number 14. The missionary spoke in both Spanish and French very well.
Very modifying well. Underline very.
Underline verb is modifying well. Exactly. So here we have the result. Excellent, guys. Okay, I know you have understood. I like it. All right. Can we continue?
Yeah, Mister.
Okay, copy
Yeah,
this very
mister.
quickly, please. Copy this very quickly.
Finish, mister.
I finish.
You finish? Okay,
Yeah.
awesome. You nailed it. All right, here, okay, this looks very blurry. Okay, I'm going to try to read it for you. Let's see. Excellent, Florence. Distinguishing or making the difference, right? Distinguishing adjectives and from adverbs. Here we have different characteristics where we can define which is which, all right? For example, when looking for adverbs, first find a verb and ask the adverb questions. Remember, in the last class, we saw about some questions to look if there is an adverb in front of the adjective. So this is another characteristic that we can use to identify if we are talking about adjectives or adverbs. You can use it. It's very useful. Let's see. And remember, adverbs which describe adjectives or adverbs usually tell how or to what extent. Es como el alcance, right? To extent. For example, have you read, this is in simple, in past participle, have you read a truly interesting book recently?
Interest.
That is a question. So here we have read is the adverb. This one and this one, they are the verb. I mean, they are the verb. Read when or read when, in this case, in past participle. Recently. Recently answers the question. When or so it's an adverb. Recently, it will be or adverb in this case. So that is the explanation. And let's see the illustration. Have you read a truly interesting book? So here we need to draw or we need to make some arrows. For example, this recently modify the verb have and is modifying the verb read in this case. And truly is another adverb. Is modifying the adjective interesting. Simple. All right. So, but at the bottom of this explanation, we have this one, not in the contraction, N apostrophe and T, or ent in this case, ent. For example, are always adverbs. When you look at them, when you find not or N apostrophe and T in the sentences, they will always be adverbs. Simple as that. And they are describing what? Other adverbs or adjectives. In this case, verbs. In this case, verbs. For example, I did not read today's newspaper. So this one is modifying what? Who can help me? This is the adverb. Is modifying what?
Read.
Read, exactly. And today's newspaper, in this case, is another adverb for time. Exactly. But the important thing here is that we need to identify not as adverb. Okay, Jerry wasn't in church yesterday.
Is the adverb in this case because it's empty.
Exactly. Is N apostrophe and T. Is modifying what? Look at this.
Was.
Yesterday or was? Was, exactly. Is modifying the verb in this case. Well done. Okay. Let's see if you have understood this part. Let's continue. I'm going to erase the notes. And then
It's very easy.
exactly, it's very easy to recognize it.
Que no es easy.
Quite easy. Okay. Let's see. Who can read this, please? Who can read this?
Yo lo leo. No. Use this test to see if
a describing word is an adjective or adverb.
Continue, please. Continue, Santi.
The unusually late frost ruined from some of the crops are both of the words before frost adjectives or on adverbs describing an adjective.
Here is questioning us. Here, the author is questioning us, is making question. So this is an adverb describing an adjective or what? Yes, definitely. You will know the answer. Thank you, Santi. You will know the answer if you say each of the words before the noun. For example, this is one ability that you can develop, you can use. For example, unusually, something is strange. Frost is modifying frost, or late is modifying frost. Let's check it out. Wait, let's check it out. For example, now you can easily see that late does describe frost. Yes. So here we have the example. Late is the adverb, is modifying frost in this case. So wait, and then we have but unusually does not. Unusually is not describing or is not modifying. So here we have a tricky sentence, right? Ruined is the verb. So here we have the diagram, for example, to say something. That unusually is the adverb. In this case, is modifying late, but late is modifying frost. All right. So let's see. Let's put into practice what we have learned today. Any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Be careful. Okay.
No.
Thank you. All right. Remember, when you are speaking, try to move a little bit your microphone. Don't speak like this, because if you speak like this, the sound will be very, very loud. It will be louder. It can be dangerous to our ears. All right.
That's if you're wearing earphones. Which some
Yes.
really hard.
It depends from the earphones or the headsets. Okay, number 2. Page 95. Page 95. For example, the ball is the animal, right? The ball, in this case, wait. Read the instruction. Write an adverb or write the word adverb if the blank, if the underlined word it is an adverb. Number 2, write an adjective if it is an adjective. Simple as that. We need to make the difference. That is an adjective. Okay, write an adjective. That is an adverb, so write an adverb. For example, number 1. Yes, tell me, continue, Monica.
It's an adverb. Angrily, it's an adverb.
Angrily is an adverb. Okay, good. And let's see.
My ears hurt so badly.
Yes, be careful with the sound. The ball snorted angrily at the matador. In this case, is the man who kills the balls. So this is an adverb or adjective?
Adjective.
Adjective?
Yes.
No.
It's adverb.
It's an adverb. Yes, it's an adverb. Angrily. Remember, if I tell you you are angry, so angry is an adjective. But if you are saying I spoke angrily, so in that case, it's an adverb. Angrily. Okay, number 2. It says the piercing train whistle hurt my ears. All right.
It can hurt.
Piercing.
What is that? It's an
Piercing.
adjective or adverb?
Adverb.
Adjective.
No. Oh, wait. Yes, it's an adjective. Okay. Underline piercing and write in the blank space adjective. Piercing, in that case, is an adjective. Well done, Deborah. Well done. Good job. All right. Number 3. Andrea did not hear the alarm clock.
Adverb.
Not.
Adverb, not. Underline, not. Exactly. And write adverb in the blank space on the left side. On the left side. Good. Number 4. Dimitri, can you read this one, please?
Bewildered little coat was frightened by the snow.
Bewildered. Okay, bewildered is another way to say confused. It's like the confused little coat in this case. So is an adjective or adverb?
Adjective.
Adjective. Yes, it's an adjective, definitely. Congratulations. And write an adjective here. Good. Number 5, the postman delivers the mail even in extremely cold weather. So,
Extremely.
Adverb.
extremely is
Adverbs.
adverb.
Adverb.
Adverb. Good job. Okay, and write adverb. Exactly. Well done, guys. Excellent. I like it. Number 6, no problem is too hard for the Lord.
Adverb.
Adverb.
Is an adverb.
To is an adverb. Let's check it out. Yes, underline to and write adverb here on the left side. Good. Those strawberries were unusually sweet.
Unusually.
Adverb.
Unusually?
Is
It's
adverb.
an adverb.
Adjective.
No, it's an adverb. Unusually is an adverb. Okay, and let's check it out. It's an adverb. Good. Number 8. Can you hear the crickets violin?
Adjective.
Cricket.
Adjective.
Crickets is an adjective. Yes, well done. And write an adjective. And the last one. My sister made what?
Silly is an adjective.
Silly is an
Silly
adjective.
is an adjective.
Correct. Well done. Amazing. Silly is an adjective and write adjective in the blank space. Okay, simple as that. So in this class, we need to know the difference between these two words, adjectives and adverbs. All right, let's continue. Can we continue?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's go to the last page. Let's go to page 96, please. Everyone, please go to page 96. We need to complete the exercises. All right, the last part of this. It says practicing with adverbs. It says the instruction, underline all the adverbs or all adverbs in the following sentences. But here we are going to circle we are going to circle some adjectives as well. You will know the difference. You will know why I'm telling you this, okay? So, number 1, ripe, in this case, ripe.
Is an adverb. Red is an adjective and scattered is the last adverb.
Okay, wait. Ripe is an adjective, okay, and then we need to circle. Please, circle ripe and red. Why? Because they are adjectives. Simple as that. And what is the adverb here?
Scattered.
Scatter.
Scattered.
Everywhere. Everywhere.
Yes, everywhere is the adverb. Everywhere is the adverb. Right. Wait, I hear interference. I hear a feedback. Wait, be careful with your microphones. Please, be careful. So let's see. Number 2, the officers arrested the thief quickly. All right. So you can activate your microphones. Let's see. In this case, what is the adverb here? Number 2, the officers arrested.
Quickly.
Quickly is the adverb. Well done. So let's see the result. Yes, quickly. Excellent. Number 3, The very tired boy walked slowly down the road. What is the adverb? What is the adverb?
Tired.
Tired? Tired is the adverb, is the adjective. So let's do something. Okay. Circle in the first part. Circle this. The entire and underline very. Very is the adverb. Don't forget. Don't forget. And continue. The boy walked slowly is the other adverb.
Okay.
Exactly. And circle the other the article, this one, the. All right, go ahead. Number 4, we need to hurry up. The bright morning sun had risen pleasantly over the village. All right. The bright. Yes.
Right.
Okay, good. Please do something. Circle the bright morning. The bright morning. Please circle the 3 words and then continue. Continue underlining pleasantly. Pleasantly. Right. Pleasantly is an adverb. Pleasantly. And circle the word the. Right. Number 5, it says, the barely visible soldiers spoke quietly from behind the trees.
The barely visible is adjectives.
In that case, the barely is an adverb. Okay, underline barely visible soldiers. Okay. And then
Quietly.
excellent. Okay, wait. It makes interference. Let's see. Okay, here we have the barely is an adverb and quietly is another adverb. Well done. Thank you, Monica. Number 6, it says, suddenly there was with the angel a multitude of the heavenly host. All right. So here we have
Suddenly is an adverb.
suddenly is an adverb. Yes, well done. And simple as that. That's all. Okay. Number 7. Shut the door immediately. Immediately is the adverb. Correct. Well done. Thank you. Number 8. Let's move this. I can see. It says, an extremely swift boat sped toward the open sea.
Extremely.
Extremely, yes. And circle and, please, circle the word and. Underline extremely because it is the adverb. And swift is another adjective. And the open, don't forget this, the second part. The open, in this case, circle, because they are adjectives in this case. All right. Can we continue? Okay. Continue?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. We don't have much time. We have 5 minutes. If not, we need to reconnect again. All right. Number 9. I think we don't have much time. Dad awakened me early to tell me the news or the news.
Early.
Early is the adverb. Simple as that. Okay. Oops. Sorry. But you saw it. Okay. Frequently, number 10. Sorry. Frequently, I write letters to my grandparents. Frequently is the adverb. Okay. Let's see. Exactly. And number 11. James, quietly. Okay. Quietly tiptoe in this case. It's when you walk on your teeth, on your toes. I mean, on your toes. James, exactly. Quietly is the adverb. Number 12. I do not feel especially.
Not,
Especially.
not,
Yes, not. Remember that. Not is another adverb. Keep it up. Yes.
Not
especially.
Especially. Both. We have two adverbs here. And this is an special note later. Sophia always helps her mother with the dishes.
Always.
What is the adverb here?
Always.
Always.
Always, correct.
Always.
Good job, good job. Number 14. Do you go to the public library very often?
Very.
Very and often. Often is another adverb. Okay, very good. Good job. And the last one, 15.
Too
Too
hastily.
and hastily. Too and hastily.
Hastily.
Don't and have.
You don't really pronounce the I in hastily.
Yes. Hastily. Hastily. We don't pronounce the I. It says symmetry. Okay. So here we need to underline the negative contraction and hastily in this case. All right. Here we have an important note. Please copy this. Note. Well is an adjective. Well is an adjective. Okay, guys, we need to finish with this. If we don't finish, we are going to reconnect. Please connect again to the link, all right? We need to finish this page. All right, did you copy this?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Mister,
Let's
these
see.
classes are really
Really what?
Really.
Really hard? Really difficult? All right.
interesting. No.
Es bien very facilísimo.
All right, Santi, let's see. Number 1. How many adverbs did you underline? Okay, let's make a count. How many adverbs did you underline in the exercises from 1 up to 15? Let's see, 1, 2. Help me, please count. Count them. Count them. Let's count.
19.
20.
Mistake
20.
station.
Okay, I will give you the answer. Wait. We have 21 adverbs. All right, please take notes. And number 2, write the number of any sentences containing 3 adverbs. Write the numbers.
Number 15.
Number 15.
5. Yes.
Okay, 15
15.
is the correct. 15 is the sentence that contain or have 3 adverbs in the same sentence. All right. Number 3. What does the adverb modify in 10? In the sentence
Right.
number 10.
Right.
No vamos a volver a meter.
Excellent. Okay. Wait. Right. Okay.
Right.
If we finish this, we are not going to connect. Okay. What does the adverb modify in 7?
Cold.
Exactly. No, in this case it's shut. Shut.
Si se termina, nos vamos a volver a conectar.
Yes. Reconnect, please. Only 5 minutes. I promise you. Only 5 minutes because this is very quickly. Only 5 minutes. All right. So in the sentence number 7, the verb is shut. The adverb is modifying shut. In this case, it's closed, like a close the door. All right. Please reconnect again to the class.
Okay, mister. Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys. Thank you, because the time has finished.
Ya vuelvo.
Okay, mister.
Good. Excellent.
No, porque Ay, no, porque...
All right, guys. Okay, just a couple of minutes, just 2 or 3 minutes at most.
¿Quién le hizo esto?
All right.
Mister, this class is really, really easy.
Sure. Okay, I like it. I like it that you feel
Y very, very larga.
easy. Okay, but with this, you are going to learn a lot. You will learn a lot about this. Okay,
Casi no.
let's see. Okay, Santi,
Aquí estoy, mister.
tell me,
Yes.
what was the missing? What was the missing? The last word. The last.
The 5, the last one.
Okay, number 5, right? Okay, here we have the answers. Number 1, 21. Number 2, write the numbers of any sentences. In this case, it's
Quedamos en la
15.
5.
And 3 is right. And 4 is shot, the verb shot. Okay, here we need to make an analysis. Let's see, what does each adverb modify in 15? Okay, let's make an analysis exhaustively.
Surely someone had to do it.
Thoroughly in this case. So here we have a characteristic. Let's see, remember this, when you find this contraction, that is an adverb. Okay, so pay attention to it. We are on page 96 in in exercise think B. Okay, so who can help me? What are the answers? The negative modifies do. In this case, the negative modifies do decide. And the adverb to modifies what? According to the sentence, the adverb to modifies hastily. In this case. So let's see the difference. Okay, wait. I need to take the other option. All right, here we have the first sentence or the first answer. The negative or the contraction NT modifies the verb do. In this case, do decide in this case, because it's talking about don't decide in this case. All right. And to is another adverb that is modifying what? What is modifying to? In the sentence 15. To is modifying?
Is modified hastily.
Hastily. Exactly. It's another adverb. And hastily modifies do decide. So here we have, okay, this is a little confusing, but I'm going to help you. Here are the answers. Okay, number 1, the negative modifies the verb do and decide. Number 2, to the adverb to modifies hastily, and hastily modifies do decide. Simple as that. All right. Questions?
No.
Okay, and this one, and the number 6, number 6, we already work on it. It's complete because we circle the adjectives. We circle all the adjectives, okay? It's done. It's finished. All right. And the last part of this class is this. Right, let me see. Here we have. All right, let's check it out. It says, who can help me this time? This time, write a sentence using the adverb yesterday. Yesterday is an adverb of time. And we need to draw.
Yesterday, asa.
And we need to draw an arrow in this case. Remember that an arrow is like this when you make this symbol. Okay, so who can help me?
I.
You? Okay, go ahead. tell me the sentence, please. I'm going to write it.
I found my puppy.
Continue.
Yesterday, I found my puppy in the park.
Okay, let's modify it. Let's modify it. I found my puppy in the park yesterday. Okay. Santi, what's going on? Okay, here we have the sentence.
con el trabajo comunitario.
Okay, wait. I found my puppy in the park yesterday. Oops, there was a misspelled word. Yesterday. I wanted to write yesterday. Okay. Let's see. Yesterday. So you understand. Just in this case is a. It's an a. Yesterday. All right. So here, yesterday is modifying what? We need to make the arrow. Remember, we need to make the arrow.
Yesterday is modifying found.
Found, yes. Yesterday is an adverb, is modifying found. Found is the verb. So in this case, it's like this. It's like this, and we have the example. Simple as that. All right. Here we have the example. I found my puppy in the park yesterday. Simple as that. Or if you want to create a new example, go ahead. Okay, guys, there's nothing left. The class has finished, and I thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys have understood and like it, all right? Take care and see you around. Please send me your homework. Bye-bye. Take care.
Bye.
See you around. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Take care.
Adiós, mister.
Have a good
Bye,
day.
mister.
Bye, Walter. Have a good day. Danny, everyone.
Bye,
See you
mister.
around. Thank
Bye,
you for your
mister.
help. Bye-bye. Take care.